Have you ever looked at something in your life and thought, there must be a better way? Or perhaps thought of something all on your own, but still weren't sure of how to bring your idea to life? Hello, and my name is Byron Bowles, and today I'm going to be talking about the Arduino Uno. So you may be wondering, what is an Arduino anyways? Well, it's a microcontroller, a device that takes certain inputs, like hitting a switch, and turns them into outputs, like, say, spinning a motor. The Arduino takes the incoming action, interprets it, then executes whatever action it has been told to take. This is an extremely useful tool that is made up of two sections, the circuits and the code. The circuit is the physical portion of an Arduino. This is where you will hook up the parts via wires. One extremely useful thing about Arduino is that it stocks a large library of circuit diagrams that you can choose from. A circuit diagram is a picture that shows you how and where things are connected. For example, this diagram shows how you would hook up a motion sensor to be used as an input that would then be turned into an output, effectively turning on the light bulb. Although this circuit would do nothing if there was no code involved. The programming, or coding as it is so often called, can be broken into two sections. These two sections are similar to an oven. The void setup is like turning on your oven. You have to specify whether you want it to bake or broil. These are all the things that the oven sets once, then does not return to or check on. The void setup, as its name implies, starts running as soon as the Arduino turns on. After it has run once, it moves on to the void loop and never returns to the setup. The void loop is more like setting the temperature on the oven. Once the oven has been set to its desired temperature, the oven starts to preheat. The oven keeps heating up until it has reached its final temperature. Once this happens, it dings and lets you know that the pizza is ready to be put in the oven. The void setup takes its input, the current temperature in this case, and categorizes it. One category is it hasn't reached its final temperature yet, and it will continue to heat up and keep checking again and again and again to see what temperature it is. Once it is the final temperature, it falls into another category that says to hold the temperature steady. Now, while I use the examples of using an Arduino to run an oven or set up a motion detector, that does not mean the Arduino can only be used for that. The Arduino is a powerful tool that can be used for an infinite amount of things, from a camera slide to a keypad lock. The possibilities are endless.